Idol, paano mag-gain ng weight? Paano ang calorie surplus? Ang calorie surplus, kung ito yung maintenance mo to maintain your weight, kunwari 2,000 calories, every day dadagdagan mo ng 20 calories to 100 calories, depende sa'yo, at kukunin mo sa protein kung athlete ka at nag-workout ka to build and repair muscle. Ngayon, kung more of into endurance sport ka or athlete na kailangan mo ng pangmatagalang energy, kunwari football player ka, soccer player, basketball player, kukunin mo naman sa carbs. Ngayon, kung normal tao ka lang na gusto mo fit, na may abs, o babae ka na gusto mo sexy, yung 20 to 100 calories, i-balance mo na lang na 20% fat, 30% carbs, 50% protein. Kasi protein, building blocks ng katawan natin, essential amino acids yan, di kayang gawin ng katawan natin, pati essential fats. Ang fats para sa hormones natin, carbs, energy. So yun ang surplus, calorie surplus. Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy!